Be it your personal life or your professional life, respect is a quality that we need to incorporate in our lives to become a successful person. We sometimes believe that success is achieved when we become rich in finances because money is a requirement for us to lead a happy life. Unfortunately, we don't realize how important human values are. Humanity is not practiced in most cases. Respect is an important human value which, when one practices, eventually it will make him or her a happy person, yet some demand respect and end up doing the worst thing that they can ever do, then they are never respected in society. The thing we need to be clear on is that respect can never be demanded but can only be earned. Now the next question is, how do we earn this respect? It is not difficult. If you practice it, others will also follow the same way, giving it back to you. You should practice respect and you should not force others to respect you. You must respect yourself. Understand and contemplate on the fact how important is your life to you and how important self-dignity and respect in society to you in society. It all boils down to self-discipline. How well self-disciplined am I? Ask this question from yourself constantly and question the level of integrity you practice. Monitor every thought that arises in your mind, which in turn gives rise to an action, and practice doing good to society and to yourself. Eventually respect will come to you. When we consider a family, for instance, it may be that you are a mother or a father, you expect your children to respect you. We need to understand that we need to lead a life that is worthy of respect, and eventually our children will respect us. We constantly see conflicts among family members where father or mother does not practice what they preach, and sooner or later children will point out what is wrong, and as elders you are found guilty. For example, if the father is an alcoholic, how can we expect his sons to respect him? Just like the two sides of the coin, there are always two sides to a problem. If we have not set the right example to our children, it is very difficult to gain respect that we expect. Therefore, we need to turn inwards to our heart and see if as elders we are doing the right thing or the easy thing during most instances. On the other hand, the same applies to the children, elder children, who expect themselves to be respected. They should do the right thing, take advice, learn from experiences, and elders will also respect them. Now you might wonder if there's an age barrier to gain respect. The answer is no. Irrespective of what age we are, we expect people around us to respect us and not to make fun or mock at us. Therefore, the decision is ours. The decision is ours whether to build our lives as citizens of good values, so that others would respect us. In fact, coming back to family, we see conflicts among siblings, and parents find it extremely difficult to manage them. Why does this happen? Why do we lose respect? The reason is wrong behavior. Do we ask these questions before we perform an action, or do we ask ourselves before we utter something? Will I am going to utter hurt someone? Will I am going to perform hurt someone? What if someone did the same? Is there any other way that I can communicate the same, so I will not hurt others' feelings? Respect is important in both our personal and professional lives. In corporate sector, we see many instances where juniors do not like to work with their seniors or managers, mainly because they are not respected, and they are not acknowledged or appreciated. When was the last time you appreciated or acknowledged your subordinate, saying that, wow, you are great, you have done this great, you are amazing? Always be the boss that you wanted to be one day. So this is a new year, new thoughts, think positive, think new, and share a bit more of kindness, love and care. Respect others, respect yourselves, do good things, and respect will come to you. All the best.